Freelance writing. 10 exciting and lucrative ways you can make money with your writing skills. If you're ready to turn your passion for words into a paycheck, you're in the right place. 1. We have content writing. Content writers create articles, blog posts, and web content for various clients and websites. It's a fantastic way to start your freelance writing journey. 2. Is copywriting. Copywriters craft persuasive and compelling content for marketing materials, such as ads, sales pages, and email campaigns. It's where the power of words meets the art of persuasion. 3. Let's talk about blogging. As a blogger, you can create your blog or write for established blogs and monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and more. 4. For those with a knack for technical topics, there's technical writing. Technical writers specialize in creating user manuals, product documentation, and instructional guides. It's a niche with a high demand for expertise. 5. Another rewarding niche is grant writing. Grant writers help organizations secure funding by crafting compelling grant proposals. It's a niche that can make a real impact. 6. If you have a talent for storytelling, consider script writing. Scriptwriters create scripts for TV, film, video games, and even YouTube videos like this one. 7. For those who don't mind staying behind the scenes, there's ghostwriting. Ghostwriters write books, articles, or content on behalf of someone else, often high-profile individuals or experts. 8. Editing enthusiasts, you have a place too. Content editors review and improve written content for clarity, style, and grammar, making it reader-friendly. 9. Let's not forget about academic writing. Academic writers assist students, researchers, and academics in creating papers, essays, and dissertations. 10. Last but not least, there's self-publishing. You can write your own books, ebooks, or guides and self-publish them on platforms like Amazon Kindle, opening up a source of passive income. And there you have it, folks, 10 incredible ways to make money in freelance writing. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, there's a niche for everyone in the world of freelance writing. Content creation. 10 rewarding ways you can make money doing what you love. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, or social media influencer, these strategies can help you turn your passion into profit. So, let's get started. 1. Ad revenue. Many content creators earn a significant income from ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube, AdSense, and even some podcast hosting services offer monetization options, allowing you to earn money based on the views and engagement your content generates. 2. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with companies and promoting their products or services through affiliate links can be highly profitable. When your audience makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Choose products or services that align with your niche for better results. 3. Sponsored content. Brands are eager to collaborate with content creators. You can get paid to create content that features or promotes their products or services. Make sure the partnerships match your audience's interests and maintain transparency about sponsored content. 4. Merchandise and merch sales. Design and sell branded merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or posters related to your content. Services like Printful or Teespring make it easy to set up your own merchandise store. 5. Crowdfunding and donations. Platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, or even YouTube memberships allow your most dedicated fans to support you directly. Offer exclusive perks or content to incentivize your audience to contribute. 6. Online courses and workshops. If you're an expert in your niche, consider creating and selling online courses, webinars, or workshops. Teach your audience valuable skills or knowledge they're interested in. 7. Consulting and coaching. Leverage your expertise to offer consulting or coaching services. Help others achieve success in areas related to your content. This can be a high-value source of income. 8. Licensing and content sales. If you create high-quality photos, videos, or music, you can license your content for use in commercials, films, or other projects. Stock photography and video platforms are great places to start. 9. Live events and meetups. Once you've built a dedicated following, consider hosting live events, workshops, or meetups. Charge admission or offer VIP packages for exclusive access. 10. YouTube Premium and memberships. YouTube offers a premium subscription service, and creators can earn a share of the revenue based on watch time from premium subscribers. Additionally, you can offer channel memberships with exclusive perks for your loyal viewers. Remember, success in this field takes time, dedication, and a genuine passion for what you do. Experiment with different income streams, and don't be afraid to adapt as your audience grows. Online survey. 10 remunerative ways you can make money from the comfort of your own home. Yes, you heard it right. You can get paid for sharing your opinions. So, let's dig in. 1. Survey websites. Sign up for reputable survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. These platforms connect you with companies looking for consumer feedback. Complete surveys to earn cash or gift cards. 2. Focus groups. Participate in online focus groups where you discuss products, services, or concepts. Companies pay a higher fee for your in-depth insights. Look for platforms like User Testing or Vindale Research that offer these opportunities. 3. Product testing. Some survey sites also offer product testing opportunities. You get to try out new products and provide feedback. Plus, you often get to keep the product. It's a win-win. 4. Referral programs. Many survey sites have referral programs that allow you to earn extra money by inviting friends and family to join. You get a commission for each person who signs up through your referral link. 5. Mobile apps. Download survey apps to your smartphone or tablet. These apps send you notifications when new surveys are available, making it easy to earn money on the go. 6. Daily polls. Some survey sites offer daily polls that take just a few seconds to complete. While the earnings may be small for each poll, they add up over time. 7. Sweepstakes and contests. Participate in survey site sweepstakes and contests. While it's not guaranteed income, you might get lucky and win cash or prizes. 8. Cashback programs. Some survey sites also offer cashback on online purchases through their affiliate links. This can be an additional way to save and earn. 9. Loyalty programs. Stick with your favorite survey sites and take advantage of their loyalty programs. As you complete more surveys, your earnings and opportunities may increase. 10. Consistency is key. To maximize your earnings, make a schedule and commit to taking surveys regularly. The more surveys you complete, the more money you can make. So, in closure, while it may not replace your full-time income, it's a fantastic way to earn extra cash, gift cards, or even cool products.